Australia is home to more endemic species of bird than any country on Earth. Nearly all the birds of the world trace their genetic ancestry back to Australia. Everywhere you go, anywhere you look, you meet something unique, something vibrant, something irreplaceable. Colour abounds in this diverse country. They call it the land of parrots. Here you'll find a vivid palette filled with wonder, mystery and fun. Songbirds are everywhere, filling the air with their melodies. Out here, everything seems brighter, more alive. Giants still walk this ancient landscape, like the southern cassowary and the emu, Australia's largest flightless bird. But not everyone likes to stand out, like the little penguin, the smallest of its kind in the world. Keep your eyes open and you never know what you might see, like the mighty wedge-tail eagle, renowned for its majestic wingspan. In fact, even birds have their travellers. Every year, waders from the other side of the globe make the long journey south to escape the cold northern winters. They come to share in something special. Something that can't be found anywhere else in the world. And you can share it too. Share in something extraordinary.